Brand new, fully furnished mansion dito sa may BF Resort Village, Las Piñas. As in, sobrang ganda. Maganda yung facade, pero tignan nyo yung interior. May 3-car garage, may automatic gate, double door, yung main door, may foyer, pero pinakamagandang part, yung kanyang living area, may double height ceiling. Kumpleto na, wala ka nang dadalhin. Damit mo na lang, mga personal things. Ang ganda na yung iyong dining area. Tapos meron ka pang very nice covered lanai with water features. Fully air-conditioned ang buong bahay. At syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang magandang kitchen na napakalaki. Kumpleto na to ng lahat ng mga appliances. Dito sa ground floor, bukod sa maid's room and driver's room, meron ka ditong ground floor, bedroom, at isang magandang part, yung kanyang theater room. Kaya, panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Call me for viewing. Bye!